I'm here this weekend to grow and to improve as a husband, as a family member and as a business owner.
Gary and I has been working together for 5 years.
We work 40, 50, 60 hours a week sometimes. A lot of challenges that we have with that is that we take work home with us.
And at the same time we are trying to have children. It would be good to have more awareness of certain ways that we communicate with each other that isn't serving us and how we can improve and have a stronger marriage.
I'm just so excited to be able to work on the relationship before something detrimental happens to it. I think it's important to have that maintenance work done to keep it strong and healthy. This weekend's been amazing. It's been fantastic to open our mind to different experiences. The major thing that I learned this weekend was how little I knew about communication and most importantly how I can make sure that I'm fulfilling the needs of my spouse.
John and Amanda mentioned that we are continuously learning how can we make our relationship better, how can we communicate better. And the amount I learned about myself was enlightening.
This event has helped the way that I talk with Jenny and convey the right message without it turning into an argument.
I'm looking forward to sharing how I'm feeling. I think it will help us be more transparent. I hope.